So this pole, the screw came out or something. So this needs to be lifted up. So now I have to take this door apart. Okay, you're going to remove these bottom screws also. And this is, I guess, padding sitting inside the door. And oddly, I guess this fell out of there. I have a replacement there. I didn't know where this one had went. I guess it fell on the door. And I don't know where this is from. Oh, that's not part of the door. That's some jewelry. Alright, so as you see, this is some sort of, looks like that one's ready to pop too. So I'm just going to put a screw on here. A screw there. Now I didn't take these hinges off because it didn't look like it was going to help me because I still needed to get into here. Alright, so I'm going to put washers everywhere. I'm going to put one on the front. I'm going to put one in the middle. It's supposed to be. I'm going to put one after. Now these are flat washers, so the metal can move. Okay. Perfect. Okay. I really should drill this one out because it's eventually going to fail. See, it's already pulling through. And then I'm going to do a lock washer to this one. And there's a lock washer to there. Let's see if I can get this in here. Better than new. Look at that. And maybe I'll just get a pliers and squeeze that back through. Alright, so now I need to get this dampening back into place. I was going to do double-sided tape, but that's not going to be good, so you have to understand, every time you make a video, there is someone that's going to complain. So you have to give them something to complain with. So I'm going to use this to hold that in place. I'm going to find a nice, useless strip. Probably make the video too long. Trying to find a piece that'll actually hold it in place. Hold that. Super thin. These need to be held in place while I gotta close it, you know? Get her done, you know? Alright. All fixed now. And the screeching it was doing, I bent this in so it stopped rubbing against the metal there. So, all good. Here's the washer and the clip that fell out. So it's sheared and pulled out. And then there's the washer. Brass. And what else?